In this video, you are going to see how to claim the Gemini Pro 18-month membership worth 35,100 rupees if you are a Jio user. So let's start. First, download the MyJio app, then log in with your mobile number. Next, depending on the recharge you did, it shows a pop-up like this at the top of the app. Click on it. While recharging with any plan, in the benefits section, you can see whether that plan has this offer or not. After clicking on the pop-up, it redirects you to Google. Here, we get the Pro plan that includes so many benefits. Some of them are VO 3.1 video generation, 2 terabyte cloud storage, nano banana, etc. After that, a page will be opened like this. Here, click on Activate Plan. That's it. Now you have successfully claimed the Gemini Pro plan for 18 months. Now, if you open Gemini and go to the profile tab and there choose manage subscription, it shows offered through Jio. You will also receive a mail regarding this. That's it, guys. This is how you can claim the Gemini Pro if you are a Jio user. Don't forget to like this video to help it reach more Jio users, and also share it with your friends and family members if they are using Jio and don't know about this freebie. Thanks for doing that and for watching till now. I'll see you again in the next video.